hold on. 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone, welcome to 161 Powersports, and today we're bringing you this new GTT250 model right here from Vitacci. As you can see, it sits up right at about like 31 inches on the seat, so be roughly right over here. 31 inches from the ground. It's a sports bike style motorcycle. It's got everything for it to be street legal. Headlights, blinkers. It's got the mirrors on it and everything. It's a 5-speed CDI ignition system. It's carbureted, and it's got 5-speed on it, so it's standard transmission. You got to shift gears to be able to ride this thing. It's a great beginner's bike. You can get up to right at about 65 on this thing right here. It's street legal, so you'll be able to ride it on the streets as well. Look at the front wheel. It's got a nice disc brake in the front and a nice disc brake on the rear. This model also comes with like a muffler protection, like a heat shield, which is real good. That way whenever you're riding it, you don't get that on your feet. Avoids any accidents, injuries right here. On the handlebar, you have your kill switch. That's your on position, that's your off position. Right here, lights turned off, middle, and that's headlights turned on. That's your push button start right there. Left side, you have your choke, easy access to your choke lever. This is your high beam, low beam flashers right there, and then got your blinkers, left, right, push in the middle, do stop, and that's your horn. See how the cluster looks like. Turn it on all the way like that. So it has your gear indicator, miles per hour, odometer, gas gauge, a trip reader, and a RPM gauge right there, along with your blinkers and your high beam sign on the right of the cluster. Right there. On the rear, you got your spot for your license plate, a rear light, and blinkers. That's how it sits. It's also got passenger pegs, so you can ride with someone on this thing. It's the weight capacity on this one is close to being about 400 pounds. You'd be able to put like 2 average-sized adults in here, be able to ride it together. Also comes in different colors, guys. This is the black one. We also have it in green, blue, and I believe it comes in red. Red one's right over there. And we also have financing available at the store. So if you're interested in doing it in payments, we're able to do that. Now, also remember, this one is on a very good sale price right now. Currently sits right at about $24.99, which is very that's the most affordable price range I've ever seen on a 250 in a long time. Most places they're going for a little bit over that, but we have them for $24.99, and we're also able to ship nationwide. You got to check in with your local DMV on all the paperwork you need. Be able to register things. Mostly it's a certificate of origin and a bill of sale. It varies within different states. When it comes in box, it's mostly assembled. It does not require much, but sometimes, it might be tedious to get all these panels and those plastic panels put on right. But as long as you know what you're doing, you should be able to do it. Also comes with instructions on how to do that. So it's not that bad. Well, obviously, but if you're local to Texas and if you want to make a drive down here, our store, we're in Grand Prairie, Texas, we're able to do all that for you, get it all assembled, put together, get the dealer tags on them. We also process your tax registration, so you'll be able to get your plate and the title to go with it. Now, depending on if you finance it or no, there might be a lien holder on it, but other than that, it should be all good. And also, let's look at the lights on how it looks like from the front. Let's see if we can turn it on. Should go all the way to the left. Boom. Right there. And this is the light that we see standing right in front of it, looking at it. It's bright enough. Well, this is a well lit floor, but still is bright enough. You're riding in the nighttime. This one got your inverted forks right here and an adjustable rear suspension right there. Unlike other sports bike, this one actually comes with a kickstart backup right here. Most of the other sports bike, they just have electric start, but this one has that kickstart. So if your battery goes dead at any point, you'd be able to kickstart it. Now, since we already have it out here, we'll go and ride it, see how it rides and how it feels like. Alright guys, so now we'll go and start it up. I'm right at about 5 foot 10 inches, and this is how I fit on this bike right here. Take off the kickstand, turn on the ignition, and this button right here should be facing this way. Alright, and there's this handy little choke lever over here, so you'll be able to, that's an easy access choke lever, so you pull it down, be able to start it. So in the mornings you might have to do that. Alright, so we'll use that for a little bit. Hold the brake, push this start button at the bottom, it should start right up. uno más, uno más. ¿Ah? Uno más, güey. Okay, one or no? Three. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3.